Hello there. First of all, I'd like to apologise for not keeping up with this cinematic series. I haven't been able to get out because the weather has been atrocious. It still is. So this week I'm just going to show you some reveal shots. Now what you don't want to do in your video is give your viewer a shot of what you're going to film right from the beginning. It doesn't give any mystery whatsoever. And to give them a reveal shot actually adds to the excitement of what's he going to show me this time. So there's all sorts of things you can do. You can take off from behind a tree, you can take off from behind a wall, another building, even from behind yourself if you want to. What it does, it just adds that little bit of drama as the drone comes up behind whatever you're hiding behind. And it just gives a bit of excitement at the beginning of the video, really. Quite simple. So I'm just going to show you a few examples just to give you some ideas, and hopefully for the next one I'll be able to get outside and do some proper filming. I hope you enjoy this, so let's start now. So the first example I'm going to show you is from a film, an old western called Once Upon a Time in the West. And when this was shot, it took the world by storm. This sudden reveal shot of what people thought was a railway station in the middle of nowhere, and then the camera gradually comes up and reveals the town behind. Here it is now. It had a similar effect on the cinematic industry as the dolly zoom in Jaws. So what you want to do really is go out and try and replicate something like that, just to give people that amazement of, wow, I didn't realise that was going to be there. That's it. As I said, simple one this week. I can't get out. Hopefully next time I will be out and about somewhere. So I hope that helps in some way, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.